What's up, guys? How you doing? So today I just want to explain how the SuperVOOC 50-watt charger charges from 0 to 100% in 30 minutes to Realme X2 Pro. Now the Realme X2 Pro has two batteries inside. Each battery has 2000 milliamp battery. In total they have 4000 milliamp battery inside this phone. And the SuperVOOC have 50-watt supercharger. So 50 watts is divided by 2, so that's 25 watts for each battery here in the phone. So when you do that, you decrease the amount of heat and damage to the battery, and the risk of a lot of explosion and so forth. So the technology here helps doing such thing. This is how Oppo, the mother company of Realme, did this tactics to make it possible. Now, people ask, what about 90-watt charger or more than this amount of charger? Now, we know that Lenovo is working on a gaming phone for 90-watt charging. If that's so, they will be actually doing three batteries, separated batteries. So three separated batteries inside the phone. That means the phone is going to be bigger. We need more space. So when you do have three separated batteries, the 90 watts will be divided by three batteries. That means 30 watts, 30 watts, and 30 watts. That total of 90 watts goes to three batteries, charging it so fast. So will it help to decrease the amount of time? Probably not, because it's three batteries. You're sending 3 watts. So it's gonna, if you're charging at 30 watts, it's gonna be, you're gonna have bigger batteries that will charge. But if you do it with 3 smaller batteries, it's gonna decrease the time. Yes, if you do it with a small battery, but if you have bigger size batteries, it's gonna take much more time. This is just a quick explanation of the 90 watts of Lenovo that could be out anytime soon. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.